we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Open a browser and type 192.168. Log into the router settings page. The default username is admin, and the default password is admin. Select WPS under the wireless menu. Change the WPS drop-down list option to disable. Select Apply.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.